Hi all, this is another tutorial about HeeksCAD-CNC as a request on the EAC channel from HeeksCAD-CNC. Today we will make a form cutting G code for upper and lower part of a DXF here, for instance. As you see, I uploaded my standard DXF. I will split this here, split sketch, so we have only one part here. Every sketch is now single. You can rename this here. Let's say here H or E first. It is E1 outside and E1 inside is the next. Okay, so let's start over. What we want to do is making a profile G code that runs here only to the upper part of the section of this DXF and then the lower part. So we start with the first, give it a profile, make it an entry. It is best to go on this height here. Let's start on this one. It is on this line. Yeah, there we go, in here and out here. You can also name this profile action here. Let's say H up and go to the next one. It's the inside we will do first. So we start this profile. You can change here the direction of the milling pass by conventional and climb. You can also change the direction of the lines that run in the sketch here by clockwise or counterclockwise. So let's do this here. First conventional, let's do a start point. Go in here. Did you catch it? Yes, I think we catch it. So the next one will be outside. Go around here. Let's start here at the nearest center. Look at these points here. It says center. Should be near. Hopefully it goes. And the outside is on the other side. Nearest. Yes. So let's generate our G code and see what it makes. See here that this point is wrong. It is not recognized in the right position. So let's try to fix this. Profile. Let's go the end. Center, nearest point. Let's grab this one and try it again. Yeah. See, here we got our G code running now around the shape. You need to do it to the whole way, the last thing, and then walk around the lower part of your section. So it's a hard way to do, but you can do it. Maybe for a lot of letters it is quite easy to, on let's say LibreCAD or QCAD, to split the lines, split the whole sketch, so you have an upper part and a lower part. But it works this way, so do it how you like to get your G code. See you on the next tutorial. I'm Lothar from Germany, or if you need help, go to our EAC channel in HeeksCAD-CNC. You can request a tutorial and I will see if I can do something for you. So bye for today.